What's up, y'all? It is not Whiskey Wednesday because I had shit to do yesterday. Well, I didn't feel like doing it. Here we are. I don't get paid for this. It is what it is, kids. It is still Thirsty Thursday, though, so we're going to drink a little bit of whiskey. What do you think we should have? Yeah, it feels like a pretty good day. Let's go with some Heaven Hill. Quick little pour there. It's still the afternoon. Is what it is. Cheers, kids. Damn, that's tasty. So good. Anyway, that's not why we're here. We're not really doing a drinking thing today. We are doing some drinking thing prep today. Because why wouldn't we be? It's Thirsty Thursday, after all. We're still going to do some whiskey stuff. We are making some fat-washed bourbon. We're using butter. This one's real simple. Take 8 ounces of butter. Here we are, about half a pound. Shred it, so you've got extra surface area. Put it in a airtight jar or container, as we've done. You can shred it by hand if you want, or if you're like me and you've got really hot hands and you're going to melt the butter along the way, you can use this lovely cheese grater. Down she goes, or just chop it. Up to you. Realistically, again, more surface area the better. We're going to pour some bourbon in there, about an equal amount. So there's about 8 ounces in here. The recipe I saw said use about 7 ounces of bourbon. That's what we're going to do. I just debated on a couple bottles. The Michter's was a real good thought because I thought I could use some mellowing. The mellow corn I thought would have been kind of cool just to see what it does with it. Same with the Old Grandad, there you are, because it's a little harsh. It's got a high rye mash bill, so it's pretty angry sometimes, but it's pretty tasty still. But then I thought to myself, what do I want in that old fashioned that's going to be a little smoother? Well, that Buffalo Trace sounded like a fun one. Something I can replace, something that's here, something I'm not going to be super, super upset about if it changes a little bit, but still pretty happy about if it turns out really well. Plus, I got a feeling it's going to taste real good in the baking afterwards. So the thing about fat washing is, that's an ounce and a half, make that 3, 4.5, call that 6. Put a little extra in there. So I think we've got too much damn butter in this thing. This might have been the wrong size container. Mash that around in there. Get that all nice and coated in. Yeah, you know what? What's one more shot? Pretty sure I'm off on the math anyway, right? Probably. Anyway, about an equal amount of whiskey and whatever fat source you're using. You can use nuts. Apparently that's a thing. Make some real cool pralines with it. Butter is obviously a real easy way to go. This is just salted butter. It's going to be delicious. I'm going to be super excited. So the fat imparts some mellowness and smoothness onto the whiskey, which the Buffalo Trace doesn't super need, but it's going to be pretty fun. And the whiskey imparts a whole jack ton of flavor into the butter, which means I am super excited for pancakes later, because that's what this is going to be for. Pancakes, bread muffins, maybe make some cookies with it. We're going to see how it goes. I'm just excited to do stupid things because it sounds like fun. Anyway, there you have it. We're fat washing some whiskey. Nice airtight container. Needs to stay in for about 24 hours. So I'm going to pop this back in the fridge. It's going to stay there at least until tomorrow night. Probably a little bit longer than 24 hours, actually, because I have some things to do tomorrow night. And this maybe wasn't the best timed project. Darn. Oh well, these things happen. But I'm pretty excited to see what happens. So we're going to get that in there. Swish it around every now and again. So every 6 hours or so, I'm going to take that out and give it a quick squiggle. I don't know why I did that. Just do that, wash it around some more, impart some more flavor, and get some more of that mellowness from the fat into it. Never tried this before. We're going to see how it goes. Give a little review next week. So that's going to be our Whiskey Wednesday. In the meantime, super excited for bran muffins tomorrow. It's going to be so much fun. Anyway, cheers. Thanks for coming by.